Now let's solve for x here, given x equals to t raised to x. Solution. Okay, so we are finding x in terms of t here. All right. So what we are going to do here is very simple. We have x here and we have t raising x here. So let's bring the power here down, and we can only do that by taking log on both sides. So I'll go with the natural log. Okay, so when you have ln of x to the power t, the same as t ln of x. So from here, you can say x ln of t ln of x. Now let's observe this one carefully. We have x here, x there. So let's group the x on one side. So I can only do that by dividing both sides by x. So once I do that, this side will be x. And you have, so this one will cancel. So I will leave it ln of x on x equals to ln of t. All right. Now, when we have situation like this, ln of x on x, and you have solved x, you can only do that with the help of Lambert W function. So it's very powerful, Lambert W function. Now, when you have alpha times e raised to alpha, when you take the W function of this, the answer will be alpha. Now, also, when we have e exponent ln of something, the result will be that. Okay. Now, before we can change this one to this form, we have to introduce this one here. So from here, we can say ln of x on. So instead of this, I'll make it e exponent ln of x. Remember this rule. Going back, the result will be this. So I've done nothing. Okay. So we have ln of t. Now the next thing is to write this one in linear form. So that will be ln of x times e raised to ln of x to the power minus 1. So just as a to the power minus n, the same as 1 on to the power n, same as this, equals ln of t. Okay, so what we are going to do here is to, work towards this, okay? So what is here and what is there should be equal. Okay, so we have ln of x to the power minus 1. So since this one is a power, my next step can be written as minus ln of x. So this one, of minus 1, you're going back to come to this position, ln of t. So remember this and that. So something is missing here. You have minus ln of x, and this side is positive. So let's balance it as we multiply both sides by -1. So minus ln of x times c minus equals to minus ln of t. Okay, so from here we can take W function. So we have W function of that times g minus ln of x, W function minus ln of t. Okay, so this one equals this, so W function of this will be one of them equals to W function of ln of t. Now let's manipulate this one. So if this is a power rule, the same as ln of x to the power minus 1, we have W function of ln of t to the power minus 1. So this one is the same as ln of 1 over x equals to W function of ln of 1 over t. So from here, we can remove the ln here. Remember, e exponent ln, okay, of something is that. So to remove this one, I have to raise both sides with e. Okay, so I'll just raise this side. That'll be raised to ln of 1 on x plus e raised to W function of this. So from here, this one and that will make this one free. Then you have p raising this one ln of 1 on t. Okay, so we have the x. So we can change the position, that will x equals to 1 on e raised to W function ln of 1 on t. So the answer is 1 on e raised to that. All right.